Just trying to iron out the wood. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hey guys, hello. Hey, hi, hello. I'm Lex. Welcome to another vlog. I don't know what we're gonna title this, but yeah, we're just gonna get into it. It's Tuesday. We listening to 85 South, so yeah, anywho, like I said, today's Tuesday. I'm actually headed to work. I'm honestly running a little behind. I just threw everything into my work backpack. Anywho, that's the intro. I don't want to yap too much, so I will see you guys when I'm doing something different. Bye. Hey guys, it's much later. It's literally 5:52. I just got off work and we are headed, well, we're actually not headed home directly. I do need to make a stop. When I did go home on lunch and I tried to record a little bit of me like working on my mom's shirt, because did I not tell y'all? I don't think I told y'all. So my mom met me at work, so I was supposed to give her the shirt literally like 11 o'clock this morning. While I'm at work, I just had like this epiphany type moment, and I don't know, I just remembered that I never put the year on the shirt. Like I think I showed y'all the retirement shirt, because this is her last week of school, like forever. So shout out to my mom, congratulations. So I don't know why I said it like that, bro. But yeah, anyways, so I'll probably put like a little picture of the shirt right here or something like that, so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Thankfully, when I went home on lunch, I already had the 2026 cut out. I honestly thought I weeded it out and like threw it away or something like that, because my Cricut was giving so many problems. More on that later, but yeah. So anyways, I am just rambling, okay? I'm tired of hearing my own self talk. Bye. Girl, why is somebody's car like literally smoking right now? Like, that's crazy. So anywho, just real quick, I did want to let y'all know that we're going to stop off at either Rose's or I don't know. I feel like I need to go to Walmart, but I don't really want to go to Walmart. I could go to the neighborhood Walmart. That actually might work. The neighborhood Walmart. Because I need body wash and we need more bar soap. Like, we have bar soap, but I want more bar soap, you know what I mean? I think there's like one pack left in the cabinet. But anyways, I don't even know what kind of vlog this is. Like, and that's the thing, you guys. Like, I'm slowly trying to rebrand and or start a new brand and or just brand myself, because there's no reason like I should be making money like off of me. You see the things? Like, but no, like seriously, I don't understand why I can't make more money like off of social media with the amount of talent that I have. So yeah, more on that later or never, or I don't know. But if y'all have any tips, tricks, and ideas or whatever, let me know. Y'all never comment in the comment section, so it's cool. No one's gonna comment on this, but if y'all do, yeah. Back of my favorite store. Okay guys, so I made it to Rose's. I found some soap. Found some soap, so I'm just looking for the class size really quick and then we can be out. Okay guys, so I just left my local Rose's, obviously. I'll do a quick haul when we get in the car. Okay guys, made it back home. I will insert another clip when I finish my mom's shirt, but that pretty much concludes this vlog. I might just start mini vlog series. I don't know, but yeah, stay tuned because I'm trying to get back into my content bag and gotta start with baby steps. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this daily vlog, a day in my life, a realistic day in my life doing crafts on my lunch break, and a little dilly dally at the end. Love you guys so much. Bye. But yeah, this is what I'm talking about, you guys. I forgot the 26 is supposed to go right here, and this is her left, so this is her right. So we're gonna put her name on this side and the 2026 right there. So pretty much bow y'all.